Preserve these 12 essential financial documents indefinitely. In today's complex financial landscape, proper document management is crucial for safeguarding your financial future and legal rights. While many records can be safely discarded after a certain period, some documents should be preserved indefinitely. This guide outlines 12 essential financial documents that you should keep forever, explaining their significance and best practices for storage. By understanding the importance of these key records, you can ensure that you're always prepared for life's major financial and legal events, from proving your identity to managing long-term assets and estate planning. 1. Birth certificates. Your birth certificate is the ultimate proof of your identity and citizenship. It's essential for obtaining other forms of identification, like passports and driver's licenses, and is often required for major life events such as marriage, employment, and enrolling in government programs. Keep the original in a secure location and consider ordering extra certified copies for frequent use. In cases of loss or damage, you'll need to contact the Vital Records office in your birth state to obtain a replacement. 2. Social Security cards. Your Social Security number is a crucial identifier used for employment, taxes, and accessing various government services. The physical card, while not frequently needed, is sometimes required for specific situations like starting a new job or applying for certain benefits. Store the original card securely and memorize the number to avoid carrying it with you. If lost or stolen, you can request a replacement from the Social Security Administration, but there are limits on how many replacements you can get in a year and over your lifetime. 3. Marriage certificates. A marriage certificate is legal proof of your marital status, which can affect various financial and legal matters. It's necessary for name changes, joint tax filings, insurance benefits, and inheritance rights. Keep the original certificate in a safe place and obtain certified copies for general use. In case of loss, you can usually obtain a replacement from the county clerk's office where your marriage was registered. 4. Divorce papers. Divorce decrees and settlement agreements are critical documents that outline the terms of a marriage dissolution, including property division, alimony, and child custody arrangements. These papers are essential for future legal and financial matters, such as remarriage, property transactions, or modifications to support agreements. Store the original documents securely and keep digital copies for easy reference. If needed, replacements can typically be obtained from the court that issued the divorce decree. 5. Adoption papers. Adoption records, including the final adoption decree, are vital for establishing legal parentage and the child's citizenship status. These documents may be needed for various legal and financial purposes throughout the adoptee's life, such as passport applications, inheritance matters, or accessing medical history. Store originals securely and consider keeping copies in multiple safe locations. If lost, contact the court that finalized the adoption or your adoption agency for guidance on obtaining replacements. 6. Wills and estate planning documents. Your will, trusts, power of attorney, and healthcare directives form the cornerstone of your estate plan. These documents ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your healthcare and financial decisions are respected if you're incapacitated. Review and update these documents periodically as your life circumstances change. Store originals in a secure location known to your executor or trusted family members, and provide copies to relevant parties, for example, your healthcare proxy. 7. Life insurance policies. Life insurance policy documents detail the terms of your coverage, beneficiaries, and payout conditions. Keeping these records ensures your beneficiaries can easily claim the benefits in the event of your death. Store the original policy documents securely and inform your beneficiaries or executor of their location. It's also wise to keep a summary of all your policies, including policy numbers and insurer contact information, in an easily accessible place for quick reference. And 8. Military service records. For veterans, military service records, including the DD-214 form, are crucial for accessing various benefits and services. These documents prove your military service, characterization of discharge, and eligibility for veteran benefits, such as health care, education assistance, and burial benefits. Keep the original documents in a fireproof safe and provide copies to your next of kin. If lost, veterans can request replacement records from the National Personnel Records Center or through the e-benefits portal. 9. Retirement and pension plan documents. These documents outline your entitlements to retirement benefits, including 401(k) plans, IRAs, and pension schemes. They typically include information on contributions, investment choices, and beneficiary designations. Retaining these records ensures you can track your retirement savings and understand your benefits as you approach retirement age. Keep both digital and physical copies of these documents, and update your records whenever you change jobs or modify your retirement accounts. 10. Citizenship or naturalization papers. These documents are crucial proof of your citizenship status. They're essential for various legal and financial matters, including passport applications, employment eligibility, and accessing certain government benefits. Store the originals in a secure location and keep certified copies for more frequent use. If lost, you'll need to contact U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services for replacements, which can be a lengthy process. 11. Vehicle titles. While you own a vehicle, its title is a critical document proving your ownership. It's necessary for selling the vehicle, transferring ownership, or using it as collateral for a loan. Even after selling a vehicle, it's wise to keep the title transfer documents to prove you're no longer responsible for it. Store the original in a safe place and consider keeping a scanned copy for quick reference. If lost, you'll need to request a duplicate from your state's Department of Motor Vehicles. 12. Records of paid mortgages. Once you've paid off your mortgage, it's crucial to keep the documentation proving that the loan has been satisfied. This includes the deed of trust, certificate of satisfaction, or release of lien from your lender. These documents are essential for proving ownership of your property free and clear, which is important for future property transactions or estate planning. Store the original documents in a secure location and keep digital copies for easy access. If you ever need to prove that your mortgage is paid off, these records will be invaluable. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.